In this video, we are going to start with question number 9. 3 e raised to power 2x plus 5 upon 4 e raised to power 2x minus 5. It is of the form a e raised to power x plus b upon c e raised to power x plus d. So, numerator we write as lambda d plus mu d dash. Lambda and mu are constants. So, numerator we write as lambda d plus mu d dash. D dash means derivative of the denominator, और numerator is 3 raised to power 2x plus 5 lambda into lambda and mu constant है, तो इसको find करना है आपको equating the like coefficients of like term. D, that is 4 e raised to power 2x minus 5 plus mu into derivative of this 4 into e raised to power 2x, derivative is 2 into e raised to power 2x, that is 8 e raised to power 2x, और ये कांस्टेंट है, इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 आएगा. दिस इज 4 लैम्बडा प्लस 8 म्यू into e raised to power 2x minus 5 lambda 3 e raised to power 2x plus 5 4 lambda plus 8 mu into e raised to power 2x minus 5 lambda, which is constant. So 5 lambda and here it is 5, therefore minus 5 lambda is equal to 5, and which will give us lambda is equal to minus 1. After getting lambda, we find what? Mu. See here, 4 lambda plus 8 mu, that is the coefficient of e raised to power 2x. Here coefficient of e raised to power 2x is 3. 4 lambda plus 8 mu is equal to 3. Lambda is minus 1, so it is 4 into minus 1 plus 8 mu is equal to 3. This is what? 7. So 7 upon 8. So mu will be equal to 7 upon 8. That is mu. This is 7 and upon 8. That is equal to mu. This is lambda. Then we have integral I is equal to lambda d plus mu d dash upon d. Separate it, lambda d upon d, mu d dash upon d. So d is getting cancelled. Lambda x plus mu log of d f dash of x upon fx integral, because integral I is equal to what? Or integral I is equal to numerator upon denominator. What is our numerator? Numerator is integral lambda d plus mu d dash, and denominator is d dx. So that we are getting I is equal to lambda d plus mu d dash upon d. Separate करेंगे आप, so d upon d will get cancelled. Mu d dash upon d, so f dash of x upon fx is log fx. So हमने log d लिखा है. So 1 dx integral is x, lambda constant. अभी आपको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है खाली. Lambda is minus 1 minus x plus mu. Mu is 7 by 8. 7 by 8 log of d means denominator. So d means denominator, 4 e raised to power 2x, 4 e raised to power 2x minus 5 plus c constant of integration. So this will be our answer. So the method is this. Numerator we write lambda d plus mu d dash. Question number 11, integration of tan raised to power 5x. तो ये 5 पावर जो है हम स्क्वायर tan square x we know sec square x minus 1 which is derivative of tan x. So substitution method से आपको इसको solve करना है. So first of all ये 5 जो है इसको 3 and 2 के पावर में लिखते हैं. So we can write it as tan cube x into tan square x dx. So that this tan square x you can express in terms of sec square x minus 1. 1 plus tan square is sec square. So tan square is sec square x minus 1, which is integral of tan cube x इसको आप एक्सप्रेस करेंगे sec square x माइनस 1 dx। मल्टीप्लाई करने पर आपको tan क्यूब x इंटू sec square x dx एंड माइनस ऑफ इंटीग्रल tan क्यूब x इंटू 1 dx। इसको आप t सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो दिस विल बी dt, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan x इज sec square x। लेकिन इसको आप वापस tan स्क्वायर और tan रख सकते हैं, सो दैट tan स्क्वायर विल राइट आउट अगेन sec square x माइनस 1, इसको tan क्यूब x sec square x dx minus this we can write as tan x into tan square x dx, and this tan square x will write sec square x minus 1, which is integral of tan cube x sec square x dx minus integral of tan x sec square x minus 1 dx. This tan square x will write sec square x minus 1 dx. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, tan cube x integral of tan cube x sec square x dx minus tan and sec square integral tan x into sec square x dx. Now this minus and minus will be plus and tan x. It is plus integral tan x dx. Now if you put t is equal to tan x in these two integrals, so dt will be sec square x into dx. इसमें हम डायरेक्टली इंटीग्रल ऑफ tan फॉर्मूला वी यूज, इंटीग्रल tan x इज log ऑफ sec x। ये दो इंटीग्रल में आपको सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है। वी पुट t इज इक्वल टू tan x, देयरफॉर dt by dx is sec square x and dt will be equal to sec square x into dx, so that our integral I will be equal to t cube and sec square x dx will be equal to dt minus again here integral t and this is what dt plus integral of tan x is log of sec x plus c, this integral x raised to power n is x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, तो ये आएगा t raised to power 4 अपॉन 4, ये टी स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 लॉग ऑफ सेक एक्स प्लस सी, विच इज टी इज व्हाट tan, सो tan रेज टू पावर 4 एक्स अपॉन 4 माइनस tan स्क्वायर एक्स अपॉन 2 एंड प्लस log of sec x plus c. So this will be the answer. Remember, raised to power 5 is there, odd power, so we can express this in square. One square term should be there, so that this tan square will write as sec square x minus 1. Question number 12, cos raised to power 7x. ये रेस्ट टू पावर 7 मतलब ऑड पावर ऑफ कॉस है, तो हमेशा हमको साइन सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है। t इज इक्वल टू कॉस का पावर ऑड है तो t इज इक्वल टू साइन x, ये आपको याद रखना है। सो दिस कैन बी एक्सप्रेस एज कॉस रेस्ट टू पावर 6x इंटू कॉस x, इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ माइनस साइन x कॉस x। सो दिस वी कैन एक्सप्रेस एज इंटीग्रल ऑफ कॉस स्क्वायर x एंड रेस्ट टू पावर 3 इंटू कॉस एक्स dx। फिर आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते, कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स विल राइट 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स, 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स, कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स इज इक्वल टू साइन स्क्वायर एक्स एंड क्यूब इंटू कॉस एक्स dx, so that this sin x we put t and this will be cos x. Cos x is derivative of sin x, so we put t is equal to sin x so that cos x is derivative of sin x, dt by dx is equal to cos x and dt is equal to cos x into dx. So this cos x into dx is dt. This is t square, 1 minus t square and its cube. It is integral of 1 minus t square and its cube, and this is what dt. We expand this, ये इसको expand करना है हमको. So expansion a minus b cube. It is integral of 1 a cube. We use this formula a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square minus b cube. Then a cube, that is 1 minus 3 into a square, that is 1 into b is t square plus 3a, a is 1 and its square, that is t raised to power 4. Then minus of what? This cube will be raised to power 6 minus t raised to power 6. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So minus b cube, that is t raised to power 6 dt. Now integration of 1 dt, 3 constant, integration of t square dt plus 3 integration of t raised to power 4 dt minus integration of t raised to power 6 dt, which is t minus 3 t cube by 3 plus 3 t raised to power 5 by 5 minus t raised to power 7 by 7 and plus constant of integration c. Or t is equal to sin x. As we said, power of index of cos is odd, then substitute t is equal to sin x. So it will be, substitution is this sin x minus, this is getting cancelled, sin cube x plus 3 by 5 sin to the power 5x minus 1 by 7 sin to the power 7x plus c. This is the answer. Very easy. Question number 13. इसमें tan 3x, tan 2x और tan x. So 3x you can write as 2x plus x. और फिर सबसे पहले आपको tan 3x we will simplify like this, tan of 2x plus x. Tan of a plus b formula we use here, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Cross multiplication will give us tan 3x into 1 minus tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 2x plus tan x. Then multiply it. So multiplying will get 3x minus tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 2x plus tan x. Now what is to be done? ये जो टर्म रिक्वायर्ड है आपको इंटीग्रल में, that is this. So this we take in the right hand side और ये टर्म लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेंगे, लेकिन राइट हैंड साइड वी आर राइटिंग फर्स्ट, so that tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x will be equal to, ये आप राइट हैंड साइड में लेते हैं और ये लेफ्ट हैंड में, so you will be getting tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. So that means we are integrating this. So to integrate this means we integrate this. So that directly we'll write here integral of tan 3x tan 2x tan x, that is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. So it is integral of tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x dx. Then integral of tan 3x dx minus integral of tan 2x dx minus integral of tan x dx. And we use formula integral of tan ax plus b, integral of tan ax plus b dx, that is equal to 1 by a log of sec of ax plus b plus constant of integration c. So here our a is this 3, here our a is 2, so a should be right in the denominator and log of sec. So therefore our integral I is equal to 1 by 3 log of sec of 3x, then minus 1 by 2 log of sec of 2x, then minus log of sec x, plus c constant of integration. That means our answer will be, so the answer is equal to integral I is what, 1 by 3 log of sec of 3x minus 1 by 2 log of sec of 2x minus log of sec x plus c constant of integration. We can put the answer in, see 3 and 2 LCM is 6, so 1 by 6, so here it will be multiplied by 2 log of sec, so that means log of sec 3x square minus, as we are taking 6 common, so here it will be 3, so minus 3 log sec 2x, that means log of sec 2x cube. It is in denominator because minus log n minus log n, and this is 6 times log of sec x, so raised to power 6. So we can put in the form here or this form. Question number 14, sin to the power 5 cos to the power 8x dx. ये इस फॉर्म में sin to the power n and cos to the power n x. इसमें sin का इंडेक्स जो है that is odd पावर है, so ये n is odd, so therefore ये odd है, therefore we substitute cos, मतलब sin का पावर odd है तो cos substitute करना है t, so we put t is equal to cos x because index of sin is odd. So we can simplify it, just simple simplification है, sin to the power 4x we will write into cos to the power 8x, and one sin x we will write here, which is derivative of minus cos x, and this we express in terms of cos, this is sin square x whole square into cos to the power 8x sin x dx. Again this sin square will write 1 minus cos square, it is 1 minus cos square x whole square into cos to the power 8x sin x dx. Put t is equal to cos x, therefore dt by dx is equal to minus sin x, and dt minus dt is equal to sin x dx. So that this sin x dx is minus dt and this cos x is equal to t. So integral I will be equal to 1 minus t square whole square and t raised to power 8. Sin x dx is minus dt. This minus sign we take outside, we expand this bracket. Minus sign we will take outside. Expand this bracket, t raised to power 8, 1 minus 2 t square plus t raised to power 4 and into dt. We may take this minus sign inside the integrand so that integral I is equal to minus sign we take here and simultaneously you multiply. So integral of t raised to power 8 and this minus minus will be plus. So it is t raised to power 10 and rest of two terms are negative because plus sign will change to minus. So it will be t raised to power 8 minus and this will be 12 minus t raised to power 12 t raised to power 12 minus dt. Now we integrate this to constant. Integration of t raised to power 10, it is t raised to power 11 upon 11 minus t raised to power n plus 1, that is 9 upon 9, then minus t raised to power 13, 12 plus 1 upon 13 plus c, but t is what? Cos x. T is equal to cos x, so we write 2 by 11 cos x raised to power 11, then minus 1 by 9 t is cos x raised to power 9. See, in textbook answer provided is wrong. Minus 1 upon 13 cos x raised to power 13 plus constant of integration. So this will be our complete answer. Question number 15, 3 raised to power cos square x and sin 2x. As you know, derivative of cos square x is minus of or 2 times of cos x and derivative of cos is minus sin x. So ये derivative and this 2 sin x cos x will write sin 2x. Therefore it is minus sin 2x. So यहाँ पे आप sin 2x देख सकते हैं. So therefore it is derivative of this. So we substitute t is equal to cos square x. Therefore we substitute t is equal to cos square x. So here we put t is equal to cos square x. As this is derivative of cos square x, dt by dx is equal to derivative of cos square x is 2 cos x into derivative is minus sin x, which is minus of 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, and we will get minus dt is equal to sin 2x into dx, which is there. Sin 2x into dx is minus dt and this is equal to t. So it makes very simple that integral I is equal to 3 raised to power this cos square x is t, and this sin 2x dx is equal to minus dt. So that our integral I will be equal to minus sign outside the integral 3 raised to power t dt, which is minus of 3 raised to power t upon log of 3. Integral a raised to power x upon log a plus c, and it is minus 3 t. T is equal to cos square x. So it is 3 raised to power cos square x upon log 3 plus constant of integration c. So very simple question. Question number 16. Here in the numerator sin 6x और denominator में 10 और 4. So this 6x you can express as 10x minus 4x. So sin of 10x minus 4x. Then we expand it, sin a minus b, sin a cos b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So that our numerator of the integral I will be sin 6x, which is sin 10x, sin of 10x into cos of 4x minus cos of 10x into sin of 4x, and whole denominator is as it is sin 10x into sin 4x dx. Then we separate it. So sin 10x sin 4x divided by this sin 10x into cos 4x divided by sin 10x sin 4x, which is equal to this sin 10x will get cancelled and it will be cos upon sin, cos of 4x upon sin of 4x dx minus integral of cos 10x and sin 4x divided by sin 10x upon sin 4x. So sin 4x is getting cancelled, cos 10x upon sin 10x dx. This cos upon sin is cot, so it is integral of cot of 4x dx minus integral of cot of 10x dx, and integral cot is integral cot of ax plus b is equal to 1 by a log of sin x, sin of ax plus b. So integral cot is log of sin. So here it will be a is equal to 4 and here a is equal to 10. So 1 by 4 log of sin of 1 by 4 log of sin of 4x minus 1 by 10 log of sin of 10x plus c. So from this 4 and 10 we can take LCM of the denominator and our integral I can be simplified. The answer can be simplified 1 upon 20, 1 by 20. So it is 5 times log of sin 4x, and this is 2 times minus 2 times log of sin 10x plus c, and the answer can be written in compact form like log of sin of 4x whole raised to power 5, and this will be in denominator upon log of upon, so it is log of m minus log of n. So log of, see 1 by 20 as it is will write 1 by 20 log of upon sin 10x raised to power 2 plus c. So it is 5 log, this means log sin to the power 5 minus log sin 10x to the power 2, and log m minus log n will give us log m upon n, and 1 by 20 as we took LCM of 4 and 10. Question number 17. Here, as you know, derivative of cos square x, that is minus 2 cos x sin x. So this cos cube will write as cos square and cos. So our integral I will be equal to sin x into cos x and into cos square x dx. Denominator is 1 plus cos square x. Now this cos square x we can substitute as t. So that derivative of that will be minus 2 sin x cos x. So we put t is equal to cos square x. Therefore dt by dx is equal to minus 2 cos x into sin x, and dt upon minus 2 is equal to sin x into cos x into dx. So this sin x cos x into dx, that is equal to minus dt upon 2, so that our integral I will be equal to cos square x, that is equal to t, sin x cos x dx, which is equal to minus dt upon 2 upon 1 plus cos square x is t, 1 plus t. This minus 1 upon 2 will write outside the integral. So our integral I will be minus 1 upon 2 integral of t upon t plus 1 dt. So that here add and subtract 1, minus 1 by 2 integral of t plus 1 minus 1 t plus 1 dt, minus 1 upon 2 integral of t plus 1 upon t plus 1 and minus 1 upon t plus 1 dt, minus 1 upon 2 integral of 1 dt is t, minus log of t plus 1 plus c. But t is what? T is cos square x. So our answer will be t is equal to cos square x. So we resubstitute t. This minus and it will be plus, it is now 1 by 2 log of 1 plus t. 1 plus t is 1 plus cos square. T is cos square x, and minus 1 upon t, 1 upon 2t. So 1 upon 2t means 1 upon cos square and plus constant of integration c. In this video we have completed exercise 3.2a. For the 3.2 exercise 3.2ab we will do in the next video. Thank you for watching.